Hello, my dear beautiful YouTube family. This is our Calico Cat. She is now became a mother. I will show you her kittens. Three kittens. They are very cute and adorable. So I will show you her kittens. Okay. So she is now loving me so much. She how she is doing. So we will show you her kittens. See, these are the three adorable her kittens. They are very cute and adorable. So please welcome them in our YouTube family. They are new members, okay, in our YouTube family. So I hope you like this video. And okay, so this is for now, and see you in the next video. So bye bye, take care.